on your website, especially if you're using scripted websites, you will always see an option called a reCAPTCHA, right? So you're going to be using it. So this is a way Google used to verify what is a bot and who is a human being. So it's very, very good that you need to set this up. So I'm going to be using this site to show you how. So it usually will ask you for two things: site key and secret key, right? So this site is part of our mini microsite series. You can check it out on our YouTube channel, right? If you've not seen it before, right? If you've not seen the series before, it's on our YouTube channel showing you how to create microsites that can help you generate money for you and your client. And we have testimonies. And if you've used any of our platforms to generate money, and any of the tutorials we've used, to generate income, you just leave a comment and you get. So that being said, let me come here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put your domain, right? So I'm going to just pick the domain I'm using here. Now, even if you're using this on the WordPress site, it will always ask for just two things: the site key and the secret key. So what you want to do is to put your domain here. Once you do that, I will always require you to use the Score Beast version 3, but depending on what is provided, some tools will require a version 2, but some doesn't specify, right? But I'll always say go with this, except your plugin if it's WordPress that requires a version 2. Now once you do that, the next thing is you want to also add your domain here, right? So this time around you have to remove your public underscore your HTTPS, right? Then you want to choose your project name. If not, then click on submit here. Now this will just take a few minutes, and you have the site key and the secret key. So you just have to copy it and come here and paste it here. And you see how easy it is. So you just click on save and enable. So that's easy how to create a reCAPTCHA. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're seeing this video for the first time. Remember, my name is Matthew Brown and this is Ziflite.